Hello students, very nice good morning to all of you. I am Roshan Kumar of Maths Teachers Modern English of School Kunti Nagar, Nevada. Students, today I am going to discuss some questions of exercise 17B, chapter volume and surface area of solids of class 10 from the mathematics books R.S. Agarwal. So let's start for students. My first question is question number 13. A hemisphere of lead of radius 9 centimeter is cast into a right circular cone of height 72 centimeter. Find the radius of the base of the cone. So let's start for students solution. First of all, find the volume of the hemisphere. So volume of the hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, that's 2 by 3 pi, and the value of the r equal to 9 centimeter, that is 9 whole cubic centimeter. Okay, so for students, we write ki 2 by 3 pi, that's 9 multiply 9 cubic centimeter. 3 3 is 9, that is 6 multiply 9 pi cubic centimeter. This is the volume of the hemisphere. Okay, and next the volume of the right circular cone. And according to your questions, the volume of the hemisphere is equal to the volume of the right circular cone, because a hemisphere of the lead of radius 9 centimeter is cast into a right circular cone. Okay, so students, volume of the cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. So students, find the radius of the base of the cone. So let the radius of the base of the cone is capital R. Okay, so 1 by 3 pi r square, and the height of the cone is 72 centimeter, that is 72 cubic centimeter. Okay, so students, 24 3 is 72, that is 24 pi r square cubic centimeter. Okay, so according to questions, volume of the cone is equal to the volume of the hemisphere. Okay, so 24 pi r square is equal to 6 multiply 9 pi cubic centimeter, that is cubic centimeter is cancelled, pi is cancelled. Okay, and r square is equal to 6 multiply 9 by 24, that's students, r square equal to 9 multiply 9 by 4, that's r equal to root under 9 multiply 9 by 4, that is 9 by 2, that is 4.5 centimeter. So base radius of the cone, right circular cone, is 4.5 centimeter. Okay, students, our next question is question number 15. How many lead balls, each of radius 1 centimeter, can be made from a sphere of radius 8 centimeter? Okay, how many lead balls can each of radius 1 centimeter can be made from a sphere of the radius 8 centimeter? For required number of balls equal to, students, required number of lead balls equal to the volume of the sphere and divided by the volume of each lead ball. Okay, so let's start for students. First of all, solution. Volume of the sphere. Volume of the sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube. That is 4 by 3 pi and r cube. Radius is 8 centimeter and 8 cube centimeter cube. Okay, that is the volume of the sphere. And the volume of lead ball, that's lead ball is like a sphere. Okay, so volume of the lead ball, volume of each lead ball is 4 by 3 pi and the radius is 1 centimeter, 1 का cube cubic centimeter, that is 4 by 3 pi cubic centimeter. Okay, so required number of lead balls is equal to volume of the sphere, that is 4 by 3 pi r cube, that is 4 by 3 pi and 8 का whole cube, that is divided by volume of each lead ball, 4 by 3 pi cubic centimeter. Cubic centimeter is cancel, 4 by 3 cancel, pi is cancel, that is 8 का whole cube cubic centimeter equal to 512 balls. 8 का cube, that is 512. So number of balls equal to 512. Okay, students, our next question is question number 19. A hemispherical bowl of internal radius 9 centimeter. A hemispherical bowl, its internal radius is 9 centimeter, is full of water. All students find the, let's start solution. First of all, find the volume of hemispherical bowl. So volume of hemispherical bowl is equal to 2 by 3 pi r cube, that is 2 by 3 pi and the radius is 9 centimeter, 9 cube cubic centimeter, that is 2 by 3 pi, 9 multiply 9 cubic centimeter, 3 3 is 9, 3 2 is 6, multiply 9 pi cubic centimeter. Okay, and its connects are implied into a cylindrical vessel of internal radius 6 centimeter. Find the height of the water in the cylindrical vessel. इस वाटर को एक cylindrical vessel में क्या किया जाता है, डाल दिया जाता है, और cylindrical vessel का रेडियस जो है 6 सेंटीमीटर है. हाइट फाइंड करना, फाइंड द हाइट ऑफ द, लेट द हाइट ऑफ द cylindrical vessel be h. Okay, let height of the cylindrical vessel be h centimeter. Okay, so volume of the cylindrical vessel is equal to cylindrical vessel pi r square h, that is pi and r equal to 6 centimeter, radius is 6, r square and into h cubic centimeter. And the, according to your questions, the volume of the hemispherical bowl is equal to the volume of the cylindrical vessel. Okay, because the water, full of the water of the hemispherical bowl is connects are implied into a cylindrical vessel. So according to your questions, volume of the cylindrical vessel pi 6 का square multiply h cubic centimeter is equal to volume of the hemispherical bowl, that is volume of the water, volume of the water, that is 6 multiply 9 multiply 9 multiply pi cubic centimeter. Cubic centimeter is cancel, pi is cancel, that is h equal to 6 multiply 9 multiply 9 by 6 multiply 6 is cancel, 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9, 27 by 2, that is 13.5 centimeter is the height of the cylindrical. Okay, our next question is question number 24. 24 number question ki water is flowing through a cylindrical pipe. Water is flowing through a cylindrical pipe of internal diameter is 2 centimeter into a cylindrical tank. Into a cylindrical tank of base radius 40 centimeter. Base radius क्या है? 40 centimeter है cylindrical tank का. Clear? At the rate of 0.4 meter per second. Determine the rise in the level of water in the tank in half an hour. So water is flowing through a cylindrical pipe of in which internal diameter is 2 centimeter at the rate of 0.4 meter per second के रफ्तार से एक cylindrical पाइप से होकर जिसका इंटरनल डायमीटर 2 सेंटीमीटर है, उस सिलेंड्रिकल पाइप से होकर 0.4 मीटर पर सेकेंड की रफ्तार से वाटर जो है एक सिलेंड्रिकल टैंक में जाता है. क्लियर है? और उस सिलेंड्रिकल टैंक का बेस रेडियस कितना है? 40 सेंटीमीटर. एट 40 सेंटीमीटर. तो फाइंड द राइज इन द लेवल ऑफ वाटर इन द टैंक इन हाफ एन आवर. सो स्टूडेंट्स, लेट्स स्टार्ट. First of all, radius of the cylindrical pipe, that is R. Radius of the cylindrical pipe is 1 centimeter because its diameter is 2 centimeter. Okay, and length of water flowing in 1 second. 1 सेकेंड में वाटर कितना लेंथ फ्लो करेगा? ठीक है ना? दैट इज 1 सेकेंड में पाई आर स्क्वायर एच. ओके, बिकॉज वाटर length of water flowing in a cylindrical pipe and the volume of the cylindrical pipe is pi r square h, that is pi and radius is 1 का square and height is the length, that is 0.4 meter per second. तो 1 सेकेंड में 0.4 मीटर, that is 4 by 10 multiply 100. 0.4 मीटर है, इसको हम लोग क्या करेंगे? 4 by 10 मीटर लिखेंगे और मीटर को सेंटीमीटर में बदलेंगे 10 by 100, दैट इज 40 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, दैट इज 40. तो 40 पाई 1 सेकेंड. एंड लेंथ ऑफ वाटर flowing in half an hour, that is 30 minutes. तो 40 पाई मल्टीप्लाई 30 मल्टीप्लाई 60 सेकेंड में चेंज कर दिए, इतना क्यूबिक सेंटीमीटर. ओके, हाफ एन आवर. सो स्टूडेंट्स, दिस वाटर is into a cylindrical tank. So volume of let the rise in the level of the water be h centimeter. Okay, so volume of the tank is equal to the length of the water flowing in the half an hour. Okay, so student, volume of water in the tank is equal to length of water volume of water flowing through a cylindrical pipe pi in half an hour. Okay, so volume of water in the tank, desired the volume of the water in the tank is equal to the volume of water flowing through a cylindrical pipe in half an hour. Okay, so volume of the water in the tank, and tank is the cylindrical tank, that is pi r square. So radius is 40 centimeter, r square 40 ka square, and the height, determine the rise in the level of water, let the h centimeter, determine the rise in the level of water be h centimeter. Okay, so equal to water, volume of water flowing through a cylindrical pipe in half an hour is 40 pi multiply 30 multiply 60. Okay, so students, pi is cancel, and 40 is cancel, and h equal to 30 multiply 60 by 40. 0 0 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6. Okay, 2 15 ja 30, 45 centimeter. So students, the rise in level of water in the tank is 45 centimeter. Okay.